Hello friends, welcome back to Dash of Spices. Today I'm going to share with you how I made the super easy air fried garlic parmesan potatoes. It is super delicious, easy to make in the air fryer. Now let's begin. Try it.
That's good.
How is it? Is it good? What I have here is this 3 golden potatoes. I'm just gonna slice them into like a bite size, about a 1/4 inch thick. But if you want it thinner, that's really up to you. It's really depends on your preference. So I'm just gonna slice this into like a bite size like that. Again, a 1/4 inch or thinner, depends on your choice or your liking. We're going to pat this dry with a paper towel to remove some moisture. Do the same on the other side as well. Place this in a bowl, like what I'm doing right here. And then in a bowl, you're going to add about a tablespoon of olive oil. You only need a little goes a long way. All we have to do is make sure that both sides of this potato are well coated with the oil. And then season it with black pepper. And this is a good seasoning, garlic powder with sea salt and black pepper. I will provide the link down below in the description box. You can get this Amazon. Simply mix this together, and again, make sure that all the potatoes are well coated with the seasoning. And then on the other bowl, we're going to use this Parmesan cheese, shredded cheese. You could use a powder, it's really up to you. I like the texture of the shredded cheese, so I'm using that. And what I have here is also Italian style panko breadcrumbs. If you want a gluten-free one, there's an option for that. They're available at Walmart. Onion powder and lots of garlic powder, because this is a garlic parmesan. And don't forget to add the Italian seasoning. This will add a lot of flavor. And just simply mix this together. Make sure that they are well combined. And once that is set, go ahead and grab your air fryer unit. I'm using the dual blaze, my brand new dual blaze air fryer cosori air fryer with 2 burners. So now we're just going to dredge that potato slices into our powdered garlic parmesan mixture and place this in the unit or in the basket, just like what I'm doing right here. Make sure they're well coated. And do the same for the rest of the potatoes. And then top the potatoes with those garlic and parmesan mixture. We're going to place this in the air fryer unit and air fry this on 375 degrees for 10 minutes. And then after 10 minutes, we are going to flip this on the other side. Though this is a dual blaze, I still have to flip this on the other side because the other side of the potatoes are not brown like I wanted it to be. So I'm flipping this on the other side, like what I'm doing right here. And I'm going to top this with the rest of the garlic and parmesan mixture. Simply make sure to put all of that on top of this potatoes. And I'm going to put this back in the air fryer unit. Place this in the unit. This unit comes with a broil option, so I'm going to select that. Broil this 3 minutes. For more crispier, you could broil this for extra 5 minutes if you want. After 3 minutes, this is done. Super easy. This is the best snacks you can make, especially now that the kids are on winter break. This is very filling and again, super easy to make. The kids will love this. Not only it's crispy, it has cheese as well. You could pair this with either sour cream, or what I have here is just a marinara sauce. But again, sour cream or ranch or marinara sauce, this will be very, very delicious. Now, let me show you. There you go. Look how tasty looking it is, and it is super crispy, and I'm gonna show you how crispy it is. Excuse the noise, but that was really crispy. Let's see what Jessie think of it. Yeah, that's marinara, so try it. Try it.
That's good.
How is it?
Mmm.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
You know what it is? It's Parmesan cheese
That's really good.
and potatoes.
This is a good snack after a nap.
After a nap?
Mm-hmm.
Is it a thumbs up? Okay. All right, well, enjoy. Thanks for trying it. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Ciao!